Watch this, big blitz, you ain't even see shit.
Racing fast in this SRT, ain't no catching me. Niggas steady hating, wanna be the niggas next to me. Ain't no checking me, unless you pussies gotta check for me. Ain't no checking in unless you wanna meet this weaponry. Racing fast in this SRT, ain't no catching me. Niggas steady hating, but wanna be the niggas next to me. Ain't no checking me, unless you pussies gotta check for me. Ain't no checking in unless you wanna meet this weaponry.
One more time, let me do it again. Fucking with it though. Like that. Ayy, ayy. Lame ass nigga, always mug when they see me. Keep it 100, nigga really wanna be me. Say I wish a nigga would like a genie. Bitch, I came from the bottom, no bikini. Now here we go, you can cut the speakers up. Keep it eye on the temp while I'm heating up. Other side business in this bitch, throw it up. Put 3 O's and stupid, what the fuck? Put 3 O's and stupid, that's retarded. I'm at the dope, 34, Charles Barkley. Back to the block, I don't really like the party. Who in the fuck got this nigga started? Don't trust shit, can't say I ever did. Won't trust a bitch, she gon' put it on her kids. Had to hide some money, but I swear I never hid. Go with your mind, watch how I split your wig. They thought I was slipping, I'm back in the yoke. And I had to die like attacking the flow. You ain't no gangster and now it's exposed. Here come that pressure, he breaking the code. What you gon' do when I get in that mode? Bitch, I'm the shit going flush to commode. Bitch, smoking Texas, it's good for your soul. Probably big chief with cushion the boat. Kept it gangster whenever I spoke. Rather die before I walk around broke. Pick it up, but this shit to the flow. Swap him out distribute for the low. I got that from PJ, he the GOAT. I might leave with my back on the ropes. I done been in that pit like a crow. When I'm through with this shit, I'm a coach. Ayy, lame ass nigga, always mug when they see me. Keep it 100, nigga really wanna be me. Say I wish a nigga would like a genie. Bitch, I came from the bottom, no bikini. Now here we go, you can cut the speakers up. Keep it eye on the temp while I'm heating up. Other side in this bitch, put 3 O's and stupid, what the fuck? Swear I'ma serve in the bitch before I save her. I done went back to the block for some paper. No, I cannot, don't you ask for no favor. Sleep for the rich, come and holler at me later. 228, I be swapping in Baylor. Back to the spot, we ain't watching no cable. It was just me and my Glock at the table. I had to bust down a rock with a razor. And I get it cracking like eggshells. And come from the bottom with bed rails. In the gutter, ain't nothing but a dead smell. Chasing paper was making my legs swell. Go and talk to the preacher, you scared here. I'm so ready, I know it's a day for me. I can never get trouble away from me. I just know my T later gon' pray for me.
Catch me speed racing, paper chasing, with no hesitation. It's devastating. Nominating these twin 40s to clear up altercation. Split the bricks like segregation. You probably get hit for affiliation. Gonna be hard trying to get out the situation. Once the bullets hit the hole like a penetration.
Hey, look at BG, roll it up. I'm on the phone with Pete right now. Dame on the way, now Floyd's in the back, nigga. What's up, bitch? Huh? Hey, you throwing south, they ain't need my...
There's more. Got him!
Like I been hearing niggas speaking on my name, like all that he say, she say shit, like I don't know what the fuck going on. I heard them niggas want them problems, I'm not really worried. They want me to join my partners in the cemetery. And I'm hearing gossip, niggas plotting on my obituary.